The divine song Bhagavad Gita is a spiritual book of guidance which speaks about universal issues of life relevant to all, irrespective of a person's gender, caste, creed, color, religion, nationality, or culture. It is the famous dialogue between man, the brave Pandavas Prince Arjuna, and Lord Sri Krishna. Chant Gita, enchant Krishna. From the recitation of Bhagavad Gita arises the desires to know its meaning, which in time matures into knowledge, that message into total fulfillment. Thus, the main purpose of this recitation is to disseminate the knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita, inculcate its values, and bring its time-tested and valuable wisdom to as many people as possible, especially to young tenders and growing hearts. Oxford Journal turns to Gita for COVID lesson. Says healthcare workers are today's Arjunas. Prince Arjuna, the healthcare workers and the Kurukshetra battlefield to hospitals. Let us pray Lord Krishna to help us all. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha duskrita dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. For the protection of the good, for the destruction of the wicked, and for the establishment of righteousness, I am born in every age. Namaskar, good morning. On behalf of North Point School, myself Rupali Majumdar, Superior, would like to welcome our chairman, Sri Sachindranath Roy. Sri Sachindranath Roy is the founder of the Parvati Educational Institute, who is an inspiring person. He always focuses on teaching principles and works of Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda's unique contributions always enlighten and awaken him. He is working towards helping the needy. He is a very simple human being who believes in Vivekananda's famous quotes, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. Srimati Meeta Roy, Principal of Unique North Point School, Mrs. Sritikona Mitro, Headmistress, and all my beloved teachers. Every year we celebrate 12th January, the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, the Indian Hindu monk and philosopher of Vedanta and yoga to the Western world. This is our 21st annual function. Considering the safety of the students and teachers, our team has put the best effort to arrange the program virtually. Today we will pay tribute to Swami Vivekananda on his 158th birth anniversary, followed by prayers and devotional songs. Hope you all will enjoy the program. Thanking you. Namaskar.
Bengali devotional song by the teachers of UNPS. Esho prano bharano doino harano he. Someone who relieves us from the poorness, it is life to step forward. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktiya prachati tadaham bhakti upaharatam asnami pratatmanah. Whoever offers me with devotion a leaf, a flower, water, what I accept, offered by the pure minded with devotion. জাগিলে তোমারে হারাবো সে তৃষা আমার জাগায়ও না. A Bengali devotional cover redemption by our respected Mita ma'am. The desire which makes thee lost from me, don't rouse that desire in me. The lamp of knowledge which hides thee, don't lit that lamp in me. The love which makes me forget thee, don't lure me with that love.
জাগিলে তোমারে হারাব সে তৃষা আমার জাগায়ও না. যে তৃষা জাগিলে তোমারে হারাব সে তৃষা আমার জাগায়ও না.
The Song of Hope features the dream of a child, a lovely melodious song by the students of UNPS.
I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, I have a dream, a fantasy to help me through reality, and my destination makes it worth the while, pushing through the darkness, still another mile. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream.
Shorjo Dao Birjo Dao, Vivek Giti, written by Swami Vivekananda, rendition by Sir Utpal Sinha, teacher of Unique North Point School, harmonium cover by Sir himself. It is the man making religion that we want.
সৌর্য দাও বীর্য দাও নবীন জীবন দাও পরায় পরা বিদ্যা দাও দিব্য চেতনা দাও সৌর্য দাও বীর্য দাও নবীন জীবন দাও পরায় পরা বিদ্যা দাও দিব্য চেতনা দাও সৌর্য দাও
O Devi, do enter. Let me see you once. Do not stay hidden in the mind, shrouded in illusory veils. It Modhuro Modhuro Dhoni Baje, a dance performance by the students of UNPS. These chants have very deep psychological as well as literal meaning at different layer of consciousness. So the prayer says, take me to the level of consciousness where I see the Satya Sarup of Brahma or energy. A dance performance by students of UNPS.
হাওয়া পাগল পারা এত আনন্দ আয়োজন সবই বৃথা আমায় ছাড়া ভরে থাকুক আমার মুঠো দুই চোখে থাকুক ধারা এলো সময় রাজার মতো হলো কাজের হিসেব সারা ছুটে আয় রে তারা হেথা নাই গো মৃত্যু নাই গো যারা বলে আয় রে ছুটে আয় রে তারা হেথা নাই গো মৃত্যু নাই গো যারা দেখো আলোয় আলো আকাশ দেখো আকাশ তারায় ভরা দেখো যাওয়ার পথের পাশে ছোটে হাওয়া পাগল পারা এত আনন্দ